Hey, Ricky, you're trying to be with the group. Good job, bud. Want some seed for you? Follow me over this way, though. I'll get you some seeds. Come on. Yes, I got you the seed. Bird seed. Ah. Ready? Seeds. Oh. Empty. Empty. You guys like your seeds? A little bit, okay, guys? Just a little bit. Oh, 'cause Martha didn't get any. There's Ricky over there. He's too scared to go on his own, so. Oh, it's okay, Ricky. Scaring him away when I try to give it to him. Guys, look. Already, look. Over there, over there. Guys, look. And then boom, over there, over there, go over there, go over there, go over there. Ricky. I'm gonna sneak in Ricky some food. Everybody, look, 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 look. See this? Everybody see this? Oh, I'm gonna throw it over there. I'll go for it. Ricky. Good job, Ricky. I guess he'll be a little bit less scared. I'm hoping he starts to go. Oh, okay. Well, I can eat him here now. You're not bad, guys. See you guys. See you, Ricky. I'm gonna take cut G. Oh, hey, boy.